Hello everyone, we are the first group, and today our topic is what contributes to good learning for preschoolers. These are our team members. Let's start by introducing the structure of our video. We will first discuss the two elements that contribute to good learning for preschoolers. Then we will briefly talk about the practical aspects, and finally we will wrap up. You can see our work distribution chart on the right side of the screen. Part 1. We believe there are two elements that contribute to good learning for preschoolers. These are people and the physical environment.
We believe that positive attitudes from teachers and parents, such as support and encouragement, can encourage children to explore and try what they are interested in. For example, in preschool, we found that when children listen to a story, they will ask the teacher what they don't understand directly, and the teacher will answer them patiently. For instance, if children can understand the difference between a rhino and a hippo, they will raise their hand and ask the teacher, "That's a hippo, why did you say it's a rhino?" The teacher will carefully and thoughtfully analyze for the children about the structural difference between a rhino and a hippo, which also remind us of the erection stage of personal and social development. These preschoolers are in stage 3, which encounter the dilemma of initiative versus guilt. If teachers and parents give children negative feedback on the questions they ask when they are curious about the world, such as telling them to stop asking questions, blame them for asking stupid questions, etc., this will lead children to become less confident and afraid to try something new. Finally, these consequences affect their behavior and mental development for a long time in adolescence and adulthood. Besides, it's also essential that teachers have abundant knowledge, since when children learn about the world, they will feel confused and some distortion will happen to them. For example, they will ask a lot of questions in order to clarify something confusing them. Teachers and parents have to apply different perspectives to explain things to children so that they can understand. At the same time, critical thinking is important for teachers and parents because books, teacher aids, and videos on the market may not be the most suitable teaching aids for children to learn. We need to use our experience and knowledge to assess whether they are suitable for children to use.
In preschool, teachers often apply the scaffolding theory to support student learning. They observe how children play during free time, allowing them independence unless difficulties arise. In challenge occur, teachers assess whether children can solve the problem independently. If not, assistance is provided until they can solve it on their own. Peer play is an effective method for children to learn new knowledge and skills. For instance, when a group of girls struggle with counting teddy bears in a picture book, the teacher intervenes to guide them in counting down from 6 to 10. This interactive approach helps children develop skills and overcome challenges.
In the second part, we will introduce the positive impacts that the physical environment brings, including outdoor facilities and interior space design. First of all, why the outdoor environment is so important is because outdoor physical activity can promote development of gross muscles, which brings lots of benefits. For example, first, establishment of basic motor skills. Muscle development facilitates the child's basic motor skills, including running, jumping. These basic motor skills are important for children's life and daily activities, and help them to move more flexibly and steadily. Second, cognitive development. When children engage in activities, coordinated visual, auditory, and motor skills are needed. This helps facilitate the connection between brain regions and muscles, improving children's ability to perceive, coordinate, and develop muscles. Third, social skills development. When children participate in group games or sports, they learn to interact, share, and cooperate with other children, which is essential for developing social skills and building friendships.
Besides that, in the interaspect design of education, a well-organized and aesthetically pleasing classroom positively influences children's sense of beauty and changes their overall learning experience. A neatly configured and orderly classroom with a consistent color pattern promotes a clean and regular mental state in children. Moreover, having a dedicated display area for children's complete their work fosters a sense of belonging, achievement, and boosts their self-confidence. They are made them more encouraged and motivated in their learning journey. The above are the two factors we believe contribute to good learning for preschoolers. Next, we would like to briefly talk about what to do and how to do it. The first one is teachers need to communicate more with children and listen to what they have said. For example, we can chat to children to note their situation for their learning. When teachers get in touch with the parents of the children, they can provide assistance or guidance if finding something wrong in children's schoolwork or life habits. The second one is teachers and parents can proactively respond to children's questions and extend children's sentence productions, because some children may not be able to express their vocabulary or may have incorrect sentence combinations. So we should encourage them to express themselves fully and then encourage them to repeat the sentence to them again. As time goes by, children will naturally learn the correct order of sentences. For example, if a child says, "I want a milk of bottle," you can reply, "Okay, you want a bottle of milk, right?"
I believe that after listening to the presentation, you might have realized how to apply basic concepts in various theoretical realization. Of course, the core theme of our discussion always aligns with the spirit of children's free development. After all, from our life experience, the hard work of accomplishing tasks on our own is definitely more profound than receiving help from others. In the future, as teachers or parents, in addition to know how to choose suitable teaching materials and provide a safe and a resourceful support environment for children, we need to passionately guide children to learn how to solve problems and face difficulty on their own. In this way, children will be able to adventure, explore the world, and become what they want to be, and when they are physically and mentally healthy.